Let's cosplay Leon today. This cosplay was so random. I just happened to have the hair. Let's begin with the contour. I already did my foundation. If anyone wants a video of how I do that, comment down below. This contour is very creamy and I love it. It's different from the one I had before. So the way I work around this one is I do my foundation and then I use the contour. So I don't powder yet to set it. I want to set it after I'm done. Right now I'm doing my nose. I want to go over under, and I'm telling you right now I'm going to retouch this a couple times, but I want to go ahead and shade all the corners to go for a more mask look. Leon Kennedy is more masculine than the characters I usually cosplay, therefore I want to go ahead and accentuate these features to make them look more masculine. I want to look rougher around the edges. I'm even blending the contour to go a little bit under my eyes. I use this to define the jawline I worked so hard on. And with a more fluffy brush, I go ahead and blend everything. Same highlight I use for the jawline, I use for the nose as well. Now I feel ready to set everything in. This dual eyebrow pencil is my favorite right now, so I go ahead and brush up my eyebrows, what little I have of them at the moment. But I want to make sure that they look natural, and then I go over it, mimicking as best and as flattering as I can make Leon Kennedy's eyebrows on me. I start off by doing hair strand by hair strand, but eventually it's gonna be all mixed, and to be honest, it still looks pretty natural. Using an eyebrow pencil makes it easier to make it look more natural, even more so if the color of your eyebrow is the same as the pencil, which I got lucky with this one. It was exactly the same match. I brush upwards again. I always start with a base light color for the eyeshadow on my eyelids. I'd go back and work on my contour because I felt like he needed more definition, and I also didn't do his cheekbones, which I don't know why I forgot, but I went over that now. I know it's a little risque since I already powdered and set, but I can always set it again, it's fine. I go over the nose as well and the corners. I just felt like it needed more color. The most fun about cosplaying characters that are semi-realistic is that they are imperfect in the most perfect way. So I like to create more shadows, give them either some discoloration or unmatched skin tones, as well as a more tired look. For these characters, my eyeshadow work is going to be a little bit more messy and kind of blended in. I'm not trying to have sharp edges, I'm just trying for everything to blend in and look as a natural human face as possible. Even going in with some pink coloring on top of it all. I am using a highlighter to define these corners here just because I want to make those eyebrows stand out more. And I also put highlighter in the inner eyelid, same on the nose, and on top of the lips. I didn't want to use eyeliner for this look, so I'm using the eyeshadow as the eyeliner. I usually do this for more realistic characters. I don't want it to look too perfect, so I go in with this color to blend it out, make it look like I have eyeliner without the eyeliner, or just basically change the natural shape of my eyes to one that's more like the character. Adding mascara would be too femme, so I went ahead and just brushed up my eyelashes. I lost it with how cute and small this blush is. Like I said before, I like to go ahead and create more shadows and tired looks and discoloration, even creating dark circles, which is ironic considering the fact that I did conceal them prior to doing this makeup, but when something's on purpose, it looks better. I had to go in there again with a more tinted blush. I feel like I needed more color and definition. Still going for the perfect imperfect look, I want to go ahead and add to the corners of the nose. It usually has darker tones or pinker tones as well. Never pale out male lips. I'm always gonna create some shape or some color for them. In this case, I am changing the shape of my lips to better match this character, make them a little bit more elongated. The center of the lips, I opt in for a darker eyeshadow. Mac your lips together and blend it in. More highlighter to define the corners of the lips. I ended up going back in for more color, and I blend with my fingers. And we're done with the look. Let me go ahead and put on my lenses. Be right back. What a difference the lenses makes. I hope you like this look. If you like, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye.